Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about TTT and CCT curves. What does TTT stand for in the context of phase transformation diagrams? A. Time temperature transformation. B. Thermal treatment transition. C. Temperature time transition. D. Transition thermal time. E. Transform temperature time. The correct answer is A. Time temperature transformation. What does CCT stand for in the context of phase transformation diagrams? A. Continuous cooling transformation. B. Constant cooling temperature. C. Critical cooling time. D. Controlled cooling transition. E. Cooling curve transition. The correct answer is A. Continuous cooling transformation. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following best describes the purpose of a tap diagram? A. To show the effect of pressure on phase transformations. B. To illustrate the relationship between time and temperature during isothermal transformations. C. To predict the microstructure of rapidly quenched steels. D. To determine the melting point of alloys. E. To calculate the diffusion coefficient of carbon in austenite. The correct answer is B. To illustrate the relationship between time and temperature during isothermal transformations. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.